Definition of the probability is it is a measure of the chance of happening or non-happening of the outcomes of random experiment. There are three approaches: classical, a priori, statistical, empirical, axiomatic, or modern approach. And next, probability of the formula of probability. Probability is equal to number of favorable cases divided by number of possible outcomes. Next, two number statistical empirical relative frequency limit n tends to infinity or limit n tends to infinity does not exist. Homogeneous condition. Next three, axiomatic or modern approach. Positiveness probability of a is greater than n equal 0 or third certainty probability of is equal to s is equal to 1. Additivity probability a1 union a2 union a3 total an. And next step at all probability of a1 plus probability of a2 plus dot probability of an. And next, law of probability, addition rule, multiplication rule. Addition rule, massively exclusive, probability of a union b is equal to probability of a plus probability b. And multiplication rule on अंतर्गत independent rules, probability of a intersection b is equal to probability a into probability b. And next to no, not mutually exclusive हुँदाखेरि probability of a union b is equal to probability of a plus probability of b minus probability of a intersection b. And similarly to dependent rules, probability of a intersection b is equal to probability of a into probability of b by a. That is conditional. Yes. So main points of probability of E is equal to m by n. And next step, 0 less equal probability of less equal to 1. Next step, probability of E plus probability of E complement of E is equal to 1. The formula of probability complement of E is equal to 1 minus P. And next, addition rule. If A and B are two events, then a probability of a or b is called probability a plus probability b minus probability a intersection b. If two events mutually exclusive, then probability of a union b is called probability of a plus probability b. For three events, probability of a union b union c is called to probability of a plus probability of b plus probability c minus probability of a intersection b minus probability b intersection c minus probability of c intersection a plus probability of a intersection b intersection c. And next, multiplication theorem. If a and b be two independent events, then probability of a intersection b is equal to probability of a into probability of b. And conditional probability. Next, conditional probability. If a and b be two dependent events, then probability of a by b is equal to probability of a intersection b by probability of b, where probability of b does not equal 0. If otherwise, probability of b by a is equal to probability of a intersection b by probability of a, where probability of a does not equal 0. And next, NCR is equal to n factorial n minus r, r I factorial.